All right, let's get into it. Today's deep dive is on a site called MoxyAI.com.
Mm-hmm.
They're promising this AI-powered trading robot for Forex and, crypto markets.
The big marketing hook is no skills needed, just click and earn, right?
Exactly. So our mission here is pretty clear. We need to unpack the sources and figure out if this is, a genuine thing or if we're seeing some classic high-risk behavior you need to avoid.
Well, the whole discussion has to be anchored in a couple of core ideas. Transparency, first of all, and maybe more importantly, can you reliably get your capital back?
Right.
Because when a platform promises you something that sounds that easy, the focus has to shift to what real users are saying about it somewhere else.
And that's the key, because we
Correct.
looked on the Moxy AI site itself
Yeah.
and nothing. 0 user reviews.
That silence is the first hint, isn't it?
It really is. But then you go to a place like Trustpilot, and the story gets a lot darker. Moxy AI is sitting at a very worrying 2-star rating.
And the user reports, they all describe a really concerning pattern.
What the pattern?
Putting money in is easy, it's seamless, it's instant. But the moment you try to make a withdrawal, that's where the system just freezes up.
It just stops.
It just stops. Requests stay pending for days, sometimes weeks. And then customer support, they just go dark. No chat replies, no emails answered, total radio silence.
And what's really, I think, manipulative about it is this initial phase that several users reported.
Like the trust building step.
Yeah. They'll let a small test withdrawal process just fine.
Right. So you think, okay, this is legit. It works.
You feel safe, so you put in a much larger sum of money.
And that's the one that gets stuck. That's the money that never comes back out.
Exactly.
Which leads right to the next huge red flag. Who is actually behind this thing?
Good luck finding out. We looked.
There is a total absence of company information. No founders, no team members, not even a basic About Us page.
It's a ghost company.
Yeah.
But hang on, let me play devil's advocate for a second. In the crypto space, don't you sometimes see anonymous dev teams, for decentralization?
Yeah.
You do, but that argument falls apart here.
Why?
Because the user feedback points to a centralized control that is locking the funds. That's not decentralization, that's just concealment.
Got it.
Trustworthy companies want you to know who they are. Plus, we also found another weird absence. There's 0 social media presence. No Facebook, no X, no LinkedIn. For a modern trading platform, that's just bizarre.
That is a significant detail, and it lines up with this really thorough report we found on Medium. Someone documented their entire journey.
And what did it look like?
A textbook scam. Yeah. The profits on the dashboard looked fake, too good to be true.
Mm-hmm.
Withdrawals were constantly blocked. And then came the demands for extra fees to unlock their funds.
But here's the most important part of that story. The author didn't just walk away.
No, they didn't.
They reported the whole thing to the Department of Financial Protection and Innovation, the DFPI. And with the help of a blockchain recovery team, they actually recovered their funds.
Which is incredible.
It is. And the advice from that is vital. You have to document everything, every single communication. And you have to act fast if you think something is wrong.
So to sum this all up for you, based on all these user reports, the complete lack of transparency about who's in charge, and just no public footprint whatsoever.
MoxyAI.com appears to be extremely high risk.
Yeah, highly suspicious. The data just doesn't support the promises they're making.
And these specific red flags, the anonymous leadership, that 2-step withdrawal trick, they aren't unique to this one platform. This is a template you should be aware of.
A good mental checklist to have.
Exactly. Use this knowledge to check out any platform promising easy returns. Which leaves us with a final thought for you to explore. Beyond just checking basic review scores, what other systems of external due diligence could you employ before you trust your capital to a new, promising yet completely anonymous service? Stay safe and stay smart.